Pero allow me first, of course, to touch sa history kan DCGB. Today, sabi ko nga ni, I feel so elated and honored and privileged to be invited in this big event alongside with the 64th founding anniversary of DCGB AM that was historically founded 64 years ago by George Bayona, who was known for his innovative ideas on radio electronics. Mr. George Bayona could be compared to the late Steve Jobs, di ba? The founder of Apple Incorporated. May bago ba yan? iPhone 14. Mr. George Bayona was the Steve Jobs of the 60s, while the late Steve Jobs was the George Bayona on the 21st century. Para pakantasid, mas kaya sa oradig po. Dit sa nang pagian talalo na may mga kapitan digig inarabot pa ini. Ako na mundag kasi ako 70s na. Ano? In 1958, when DCGB AM was founded, was a time when radio communication was still kumbaga in egg state pa, daig pa lamang, popularly known as Radyo Balagon. Yan. According to the old folks, DCGB AM was called Radyo Balagon because the radio technicians, workers at that time had to put long double wires using Alecos electric poles in going to its residence using a rectangularly formed small size and well-varnished box with a tiny speakers placed inside, and at the outside was a volume tuner. Saro sana ang tuner, DCGB sana. Many homes in almost all barangays of it that wanted to listen to DCGB on air had to update to have their own radio balagon installed. Talagang ang istorya, making the historic beginning of radio broadcast to be in place in Legazpi City and uninspired not only Legazpi but many parts in Bicol, and probably being awarded, palapakan natin nationally for so many times nakikipaglaban ang DCGB. Baka din no aram sa mga national awards sa radio, pero may nagasakat ini si Madam Brenda dahil nang garumabilang ta, no? And onward. Today, we can compare this form of installation to how we want to have cable and internet at home. Now, my topic, ladies and gentlemen, that was 64 years ago, when climate change and the issue on environment were not yet a big and top concern. It was a time when everything looked divinely clean, safe, and not implicated with the effects on the misuse of fossil fuels, where our earth is not complacent. Yun po ang pangadji. So, Horacio Imperata, I'm so proud, pag ako nasa Manila, pigi pangadji na ini. Yun po, so pag-abuso na sinabi ni Bishop, then, darakulang kumpanya, nag-inarabuso, yun na po ini ang problema ta. Bishop mentioned climate change adaptation and mitigation. Araman sa nindo ang Legazpi Albay is the forefront of this campaign. Kumbaga tuom tayo ni Gabos, but I tell you, as mentioned in the Horacio Imperata, it is a calling, it is a collaboration. They pwede na concern lang kang gobyerno, they pwede concern lang kang simbahan. It should be the concern of everyone. At present, we are made to correct them. We are made to adapt and review what went wrong. We are made to restrain the devastating effects of the damages made by the climate change and of environment abuse. Today, we are called to alter our moves by the call on how to sustain it at least to its former and original formation. Ines yung sinabi ni Bishop na last niya, return. Para pagkanta si Bishop, believe ako. So, inadalan ko, nadala ni Bishop, talagang nasa isip pala ni Bishop. Pero mo yan, nagsabkuhan kami, pero hindi ko ni Bishop na aram sa tataram niya. Pero kasi nagparaulok ako sa niya ko, yung talaga sa tataram ko. Di ba? On how it was made to perform like in the past. And most importantly, on how to restore it. Di ba? To a new form of development. Baya, di ba? Sabi ko kay Bishop Papal Francis, sabi nga ni Mayora, Laudato Si, which means praise be. Di ba? Laudato Si is Pope Francis, the most comprehensive Vatican document ever. Siya pa sana on environmentalism. Because the Pope now thinks that as the highest, di ba, priest on Mother Earth, he has to contribute. Kaya, grabe. Its arguments, ladies and gentlemen, are founded on theological convictions, which was subtitled, On Care of Our Second Home. Now, mga namumutang kong mga albayanos, we need to work together to patch up and repair it, not by prayers alone, but by actual actions. Kaya nga sabi ni Bishop, so prayer baga ni Father Momoy, nagkaroon sa mabay na, pinailing baga sa toya, touching na maray, di ba? Iluon mo ang mga environment, pag di ito pagkakarawan, ilingon mo. So regalo sa tuya, kan mahal na Diyos, giniributang sa diritang kapritsyo. I have a very intriguing question before I end. Ano ba ang mas importante? Ang infrastruktura na makapag-ibo kitang tinampo o ano man na programang naisip ta para sa pagpagayon na ang satuyang environment, ang satuyang tubig, ang satuyang mayon, ano man na created by God, ini ang question ko niyan. Ano ba ang pigapuntang farm to market roads? Is it really for the people's welfare? Ini ang mga dapat na kitang mga opisyales. Yaon po ang simbahan. We are so lucky na nakikasabay sa tuya. Si Father Momoy, suminakat mismo yan sa Buenavista. Bako ako nag-iintriga. Siya mismo nagduman, suminakat sa Capitol. Tinawan niya akong kopya. Nailing ko sa pandik ni Father Momoy. Sabi niya, Gob, dapat maghiro kita. Bako na kita magpakaraot kay mga tao. Bako ini po, ang importante, Gobernador, gamiton mo ang sa imong mandato na ini mapundo dahil ini ang gusto kan mga tao. That's why I would like to quote a very good words from Pope Francis in saying, may the relationship between man and nature not be driven by greed to manipulate and exploit, but may the divine harmony between beings and creation be conserved in the logic of respect and care. Again, I would like to congratulate DCGP, palampakan Tagararay. Pigbago ninda sa concept. Ini si Glenn, pag dumaninda sa Roma, pag dumaninda, may mga programa duman na inspire sila kaya binago. Kaya I think for the next thing, araw na kani ang satuya. Congratulations to everyone, to all the Earth Forum and Expo participants, especially dito paglingawan, there will be speakers this afternoon, tomorrow, and Friday. Dahugunta po, and Saturday. Saro na dyan suhiyado ko. Si Cedric Mataraman, and siyempre, iba pang mga experts para i-remind kita kung ano ang pigasabi na climate change phenomenon and ano ang climate change adaptation and mitigation. Again, in closing, this is everyone's concern. We have a role to play, be it small or be it big. Kita gabos, on digde sa sarong Mother Earth, and we have really to protect it. Not only for this generation, but I tell you, for the next generation. Diyos mabalo sa endo gabos, mabuhay tayo.